You have stumbled upon one of the rarest unicorns in the world of check engine lights with the code P0006, defined as fuel shutoff valve A control circuit low. Most mechanics go their whole careers without seeing this one frequently because it is quite specific. The code points to a potential electrical issue within the control circuit of your fuel shutoff valve. This valve is a critical safety and operational component. Its job is to cut the supply of fuel to the engine when you turn the ignition off or if the safety systems detect a crash. When the code says circuit low, the computer is telling you that the voltage signal coming back from this valve is lower than what it expects to see. Usually this suggests a short to ground or a broken wire somewhere in the harness. Now, because this is a generic OBD2 code, it theoretically applies to all makes, but information on it is notoriously scarce. You might see the malfunction indicator lamp, also known as the check engine light, illuminated on your dash, but depending on how the valve fails, you might also experience a no-start condition if the valve is stuck closed, or the engine might refuse to shut off immediately if it is stuck open. Since there is not a lot of forum chatter or common knowledge about this specific error, your best friend is going to be the factory service manual for your specific car. Do not rely on generic guesses here. You need to locate the fuel shutoff valve, which is usually on or near the fuel pump or the fuel rail, depending on if you are driving a diesel or a gas car. Start with a visual inspection of the wiring. Look for any wires that might have rubbed against a sharp metal edge and short it out. If the wiring looks intact, you're going to need a multimeter to probe the circuit. You are looking for proper voltage reaching the valve and ensuring the ground connection is solid. If the electrical lines check out, the solenoid inside the valve itself might have failed internally, causing the low circuit reading. It is a simple component, but vital for your car's operation, so treat this one seriously, even if the car seems to drive fine for the moment.